8 multiplied by 4.6. Now we know in multiplication of decimals, the first step is we ignore the decimal point and do the multiplication. So let's ignore the decimal point and do the multiplication. So it will be 46 multiplied by 8. So answer we get 368. We'll write this answer 368 here. Now we will calculate the number of digits after decimal points. Here it is 1 and here it is 0. So 0 plus 1 is 1. So in the answer there should be only one digit after decimal point, and hence the decimal point is given between 6 and 8. Answer is 36.8. Let's solve another one. 211.02 multiplied by 4. Again we know we have to ignore the decimal point and take the number. So 21102 is the number multiplied by 4. 84408. Now we count the number of digits after decimal point. Here it is 2, here it is 0. So when we add we get 2. So we should have only 2 digits after the decimal point, hence our decimal point comes here, and the answer is 844.08. Find the area of a rectangle whose length is 5.7 cm and breadth is 3 cm. So what's a given? So what we want to find, we find area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth. So the numbers are 5.7 into 3. So again, as we know, doing multiplication, ignore the decimal point, so it becomes 57 into 3. We know how many digits are there after decimal point? 1 digit. In this case, it is 0. So 1 plus 0 is 1. So in the answer, we should have 1 digit after decimal point. So where will we put our decimal point? We will put our decimal point here. So the answer is 17.1 centimeter square. Because it is area, it is centimeter square. 168.07 multiplied by 10. So what we do here, we write the non-power of 10 multiplier as it is. So 16807 as it is. Now we will give, for our reference, we'll give the decimal point here. It is here. And we will count the number of zeros. In this case, it is 1. So the decimal point, because it is multiplication, has to move towards right by 1 place. So it comes here. So the answer would be 1680.7. Let's do one more. Let's take 0.08 multiplied by 10. Write the digits as it is, 008. Take the reference decimal point here. Count the number of zeros. It is 1. So it moves one house. So it moves here. So our answer becomes 0.8. Let's take third one. 0.03 multiplied by 1000. That is equal to, let's write 003 as it is. Take the reference decimal point here. Count the number of zeros. There are 3, so it has to move 3 places, 1 place, 2 place. There is no place, so we add a 0. When we don't have a place, we add a 0 and we move the 3rd place. So our decimal point comes at the end. So the answer is 30. A two-wheeler covers a distance of 55.3 kilometers in 1 liter of petrol. How much distance will it cover in 10 liters of petrol? So given is equal to 55.3 multiplied by 10. Now it is multiplied by power of 10. So what we do? We write the non-power of 10 numbers as it is, and then we take the reference decimal point. We count the number of zeros in the multiplier. It is 1, so we move 1 place. So we come here. So our decimal point is going to be at the end, 553.0. So our answer is 553 kilometers. How we do it? We multiply the numbers without decimal point. 1680. Now we are going to do count the number of digits after decimal point in both the multipliers. So here it is 1, here it is 2. Add these numbers. 1 plus 2 is 3. So in answer we need 3 digits after decimal point. So our decimal point comes between 1 and 6. 1.680 is our answer. Let's take one more. 1.07 multiplied by 0.02. So let's do the rough calculation without the decimal points, which is 107 multiplied by 2, and that gives us 214. Let's write 214. Now count the number of digits after decimal point. Here it is 2, here also it is 2. 2 plus 2 is 4, so we need 4 here. We already have 3, 1, 2, 3, so we need to take one more 0 before 2, and then we give the decimal point. So the answer is 0.0214. 1.3 into 3.1. So first thing what we do is we multiply the numbers ignoring the decimal point. So 13 and 31. 403. And now let's count the number of digits after decimal point. Here it is 1. Here also it is 1. So 1 plus 1 is 2. So in answer we need 2 digits after decimal point. Hence our decimal point comes between 4 and 0. So answer is 4.03. For a complete understanding of fractions and decimals, do watch our other videos on this topic. We'll come back with another video in short time. Till then, goodbye.